Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hand blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the budget-friendly Ovente Immersion Hand Blender. Priced at just $12.99, this blender packs a surprising punch for its price, with a 300-watt motor and stainless steel blades that allow you to whip up smoothies, protein shakes, purees, and more in no time. It's equipped with 2 pulse-activated blending speeds, making it versatile enough for soft ingredients and tougher frozen fruits. The design is sleek and ergonomic, featuring a comfortable non-slip handle for easy control. Its slim stainless steel shaft fits into most pots and bowls, making it great for everyday use. Cleanup is a breeze. The detachable shaft is dishwasher safe, while the motor unit can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Despite its affordability, it boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from over 16,000 reviews. However, being a budget option, the Ovente blender has its limitations. It's less powerful than other models on this list, and the 2 speed settings may not provide the precision needed for more advanced recipes. But if you're looking for a no-frills, reliable hand blender for basic tasks, this is a fantastic choice for the price. At number 4, we have the Turalar Immersion Blender Handheld Corded Hand Blender Set. Priced at $29.97, this 5-in-1 blender offers impressive versatility and power, boasting an 1100-watt full copper motor for smooth blending and chopping. Whether you're making velvety soups, baby food, or smoothies, its variable speed trigger gives you precise control over the texture. This blender includes multiple attachments: a whisk, milk frother, 600mm mixing beaker, and 500mm food processor, making it a great all-rounder for your kitchen. The nylon blade guard prevents scratches on pots and pans, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use. Cleaning is straightforward, with detachable parts that can be hand-washed or placed in the dishwasher. On the downside, the Turalar blender struggles with harder ingredients like frozen fruits and large ice cubes, as prolonged use can cause the motor to overheat. However, its robust design, affordable price, and solid performance make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for versatility on a budget. Coming in at number 3 is the Geniza Immersion Blender 5-in-1 Hand Blender. With a powerful 1,000-watt copper motor and 16 speed settings, this blender delivers exceptional performance for both tough ingredients and delicate textures. The additional turbo mode comes in handy for heavy-duty tasks like blending frozen fruits or making nut butters. This blender is packed with accessories, including an 800ml mixing beaker, 600ml chopper, whisk, and frother, making it a versatile tool for every kitchen. Its stainless steel 4-leaf blades ensure precise cutting and blending, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. Cleanup is convenient, with dishwasher-safe attachments and easy-to-wipe electronic components. While the Geniza blender is feature-rich, its price is not readily available, which could be a drawback for buyers looking for transparency. Additionally, the unit is heavier than other models, which may not appeal to those who prioritize lightweight designs. Still, for users who want versatility and power, this model is a worthy contender. In second place, we have the Cuisinart CSB 179 Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. At $60.91, this blender strikes a balance between premium features and affordability. Powered by a 300-watt motor, it's perfect for pureeing, emulsifying, and whipping. The variable speed slide control offers seamless adjustments for optimal blending. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft provides extended reach, making it easy to use in deep pots and bowls. The set includes a 3-cup chopper grinder, chef's whisk, and a 2-cup mixing measuring cup, ideal for a variety of cooking applications. Its comfort grip handle and lock-unlock button ensure safe and efficient operation. While this blender performs admirably for most tasks, its 300-watt motor may feel underpowered for heavy-duty blending. Additionally, it's slightly more expensive compared to other mid-range options. Nevertheless, its durability, versatility, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for home cooks. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender. Priced at $79.95, this premium blender is highly recommended by America's Test Kitchen for its innovative design and exceptional performance. Its patented active blade technology features a flexible shaft that increases the cutting surface by 250%, delivering smoother and faster results. With Easy Smart Speed technology, you can intuitively control the blending speed by adjusting the pressure on the trigger. The 500-watt motor effortlessly handles tough ingredients, while the splash control technology ensures a mess-free experience. The set includes a 2-cup chopper, whisk, and beaker, all designed to swap out easily with the Easy Click Plus system. The Braun MultiQuick 7 is undoubtedly the best on this list, but its higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers. It's ideal for serious home cooks who value precision, speed, and versatility. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line hand blender, this one is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.